Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly disable security delay on iPhone. So guys, you can see this. If you want to disable this security delay quickly on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device. And once you're here, scroll it below and you have to simply go to Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode, and now you have to simply scroll it below and go to stolen device protection from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily turn on stolen device protection with this toggle. So guys, you can see this, you can easily turn it on or turn it off. So guys, when you turn on stolen device protection, it will give you two options to choose. One is away from familiar locations and the other is always. So guys, once you check this to away from familiar locations, then you will be able to change the setting or turn off the stolen device protection anytime on your device from familiar locations. So as you can see this, if you turn it on and check this to away from familiar locations, then you will be able to turn it off very easily once you check this to away from familiar locations before turning it on. And if you check this to always and turn it on, then you have to simply wait for 1 hour, and after this you will be able to turn it off very easily. So guys, you can see this, if it is check on always and I am trying to turn it off, then it will start the security delay for 1 hour. So guys, you can see this, I can start it from here. So guys, tap on done button, and now after 1 hour you can easily turn it off very easily as it says always. And if you had checked this to away from familiar locations, then you will be able to turn it off very easily anytime. So guys, this is the way to quickly disable security delay on iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.